Josh, this is Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing right here in Fayetteville, and just wanted to thank you for sending over the info and connecting. Definitely could use a little restoration up top, I believe, but I don't know if that's in my future yet or not, but we'll see. Just wanted to give you a couple of comments about your website and just tell you one, congratulations, you got to have a great looking website. Your content is really good about just talking about discussing the things that you do. There's a couple of things that I wanted to just share with you, some opportunities that you might consider. I approach websites looking at it from an SEO perspective about how do we get it to organically rank, how does it bring you more traffic, more business coming in. And some of the content that you have doesn't contain, some of the keywords. You're actually ranking fairly well just because of the content on your site, but some of that is because there's not a lot of competition for your services in this area. And other things that I look at is, is there other low-hanging fruit or other traffic that you're trying to pick up? And then one thing I don't know about you guys is, do you just do, mainly marketing in Arkansas, or are you trying to pick up more outside of the area? So if you are trying to pick up work from the outside, there's definitely some SEO work that you could do to help boost you guys up in the organic search ranking for just, keywords that are more national, like hair restoration or hair treatment, those sorts of things. So I'll just show you a couple of things there real quick. It's all about content, backlinking, and citations. So citations would be your name, address, and phone number on online directories, getting as many listed on those above and beyond what your competitors are doing. You guys are organically ranking in this area, like I said, in the map section, because there's not a lot of competition in town from what I can tell, at least online. Secondly is the backlinks. So these are other websites that's going to pass power to yours and really juice your site up. And, that's where you start to outrank some of these people on a national level, if that's what you're wanting to do. Third thing is the content. We look at the content on your site. We look at what keywords are in it. Are there national keywords you're trying to go after, or is it just local search? Really discuss and get into your business and figure out like what it is that you're trying to like who you're trying to market to specifically. So those three things, the content, the backlinks, and the citations are what's going to push you up in the search ranking. So the other thing that I see on your website is this, there's no phone number for you to call very easily. So I like to see that up in this header menu up here. Sometimes I like to see it in this area down here. I know you guys are, it looks like you're using Go High Level to bring in clients and through some workflows and such. So I'm not sure how much you're wanting the phone to ring versus just trying to get people to make an online appointment, but just wanted to point that out to you real quick. Otherwise, the site looks great. Just want to show you where you guys are. I know you're running sponsored ads from Google, which that's great as well. We do that as well. If you're looking to see how your campaigns are performing from a just third-party perspective, I could take a look at that for you as well, and make some recommendations. But like I said, you guys are, I just put in hair restoration, Arkansas. You're in the map section here, which is great. You've got Dr. Susan Yee that's pulling ahead of you guys in the organic right now. I know she's out of Little Rock, but just something to be aware of. You also have, Nirvana, and there's Susan Yee again, and Harold Dermatology and Aesthetics are all kind of down in this area. If any one of these guys starts to do a heavy SEO program, they could push up past you guys, because now I'll show you just a little bit of what I'm talking about there. Looking at the website strength overall that you have, so you've got a 1.5 on the domain rating and a 4.8 on the UR. This is a direct reflection of the backlinks strength that you have coming in. You've got 35 backlinks coming in through 25 different places. They're just not very strong backlinks. So if I were you and I wanted to maintain that number one position, I would start building backlinks on a heavier basis. Your content's doing well. It's got 421 keywords that you're being ranked for. Some of those keywords are directly related to just the content. So WAW hair transplant, you're in the number one position for that. It's ranking off of this back page. You've got Arkansas Hair Clinic, 30 searches a month. You're in the fourth position for that. You've got hair transplant Little Rock, 40 searches a month. You're in the seventh position for that. So I'm just kind of looking at the local stuff, looking at some of the national keywords might be like hair restoration labs. I get searched 50 times a month. You're in the ninth position. So really just kind of looking at hair restoration lab, another 90 searches a month, 10th position. Just trying to look at some of those keywords that more on a national level. If you want to look at that further, I can definitely do that, but just wanted to kind of give you a quick little video showing some things. But this was the main thing concerning, because you are getting ranked off of your content well. It's just that your backlink leaves you, your backlink profile leaves you susceptible to being overtaken. And I'll show you just kind of why Susan Yee's beating you guys right now. So her website, it looks okay. I think your website looks a whole lot better in my opinion. But it is what it is. Maybe she needs to redevelop. Hasn't done that in a while. But looking at her strength of her website, she has 711 backlinks coming through 153 places, referring domains. And you can see that the strength of her website is quite a bit more than what you guys have. Now, some of this is to do with just the time that your website's been up. It also has to do with mainly the backlinking profile. So if that's something that you would like further look at, I would love to just do an analysis with you guys and show you what that could look like. If you would like a third party look at your Google ad campaign as well, that would be something else that I could help you guys out with. So my name's Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Again, just wanted to send you this quick video. Let me know if you have any questions and hope you guys have a great 2024. Thanks.